Here is the Toyota Corolla. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Now there's one door sensor on the front door and one on each of the rear doors. Let's go ahead, open the front door, and that's right there where the door sensor is. Open the rear door, and right there, that's where the rear one is. Now for this job, you will need to have a Torx T-30 screwdriver bit. That's the only tool you need, but you need to have this. Without this, you cannot do this job. So get the T-30 bit screwdriver and push it in, and then twist it left. It's important that you push it in and then twist it left so that we don't end up stripping the screw, because the screw is in there pretty tight. Get the screw out, move the sensor, and get it out. There's not a whole lot of wire length, so you will not be able to get it out any more than this. Now to get the electrical connector off, you can't just do it with your hand. There's not enough space for that. You will need to get a screwdriver. You can have a small one like this or a big flathead screwdriver. All you have to do is just press right over there in that slot. Just press over there and the electrical connector, it comes loose. Now make sure you don't lose it, so just keep one finger on it and don't let it go inside the body, otherwise it's very hard to fish it. So just keep on holding on to that and get a screwdriver or something to wedge behind it over there, so that way it doesn't go back inside the body. Right, position it that way. Get the new door sensor. It only goes on in one way, and just slide it on and click it, and that's it. Now we are done. Let's put this back in its place and put the screw back in. And it's important you don't lose the screw, because only when you put the screw back in and tighten it is the connection completed between the door sensor and the vehicle. Otherwise, without that, the door sensor will not work. So put the screw back in, tighten it down, repeat the process on the rear one. Exact same T-30 screwdriver bit, same process, same everything, except over here you have a little bit more space. You can pull the door sensor out a little bit more. Again, get the screwdriver and get it out, and when you're putting it back in, you can sort of support the electrical connector against the metal that way. Get the new door sensor and slide it on, and in it goes. Put the screw back on, tighten it down, and you are done. That's it. See how easy the whole job was? Hope you found it useful.